stakes rise, you'll see some situations that are interesting to say the least.
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?